for your practicals, right? Now, the 30 marks of your practical will be now taken as assessment through MS Forms. So you'll have multiple choice questions, and these are based on the experiments which you have been. So only few of you have done this experiment in the laboratory. The rest have done in OLabs, like your vernier calipers, screw gauge, parallelogram law of vector addition. So all these experiments you have done in OLab sessions, right? 11B. Is that fine? 11th standard, please answer, boys. You all have done these three. Yes?
Ma'am, are you sharing your files?
Yeah, you can't see the file?
No, ma'am, it's stuck for me.
Okay. Is it fine? Can you see the file right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this will be today put up in your Phoenix as well as in your MS Teams. So vernier calipers, screw gauge, parallelogram law of vector addition. So you will have multiple choice questions on these experiments. 5 from vernier calipers, 5 questions from screw gauge, 5 from parallelogram law of vector addition. Might be in some cases it might be 3 from screw gauge, the rest from vernier and parallelogram law of vector addition. Totally 15 questions, 1 mark each. Now, total marks 15 will be converted to 30. Is that clear, boys? This annual examination practical assessment will be done well before your theory examination.
Zero period, you said it was helical spring, not screw gauge.
No, I know I checked the helical spring with other classes also, because this is the common paper going for all the other section, right? In some of the classes, there was a problem that they were unable to complete. In that case, we can't. So we are going for the common experiments, which almost all the classes have completed. Is that fine, boys? Parallelogram law of vector addition you have completed in your class?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you? Yes. Vernier calipers you have completed. I know that. Screw gauge you people have completed. So parallelogram law of vector addition experiment, practical experiment in OLabs you have completed. So you will be having multiple choice questions on all these topics. The schedule of the examination, I think it's already being shared. Did you get the circular regarding this? The date of the examination? Did you get a circular, boys?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, the circular will be released. So it starts from somewhere around 11 to 14. 14, I'm not very sure which is the date. So the circular will be sent to you. So most probably the zero period in MS Forms, multiple choice question of all these 3 experiments will be conducted. Is that clear, boys? Right. Now next. Now, how to learn for this? If you have your lab manual becomes your first source of learning. Second is your OLabs. So you can go into the OLab, learn the theory section, and then even you have assessment over there. Go through the assessment in your OLabs. Is that fine, boss? Next. Can you check, can you see this one, boss? So 30 marks of your practical, 15 will be converted to 30. So that is being done. Now rest is 70 marks of your theory. Of this 70 marks of your theory, 50 marks will be conducted. Yes?
Ma'am, you are sharing the file.
I'm not sharing the file. The students self.
Ma'am, you're sharing the folder, like with the 3 documents in it.
Can you see it right now? Can you see the file, boys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now look at the file. Right? Now student evaluation task. So student evaluation task as well as your practical evaluation will be done well before your regular annual examination. Your annual examination will start on 21st. Is that clear, boys? So practical assessment finished, 30 marks. The test will be conducted for 15 marks. It will be converted to 30. So your practical assessment is over. Your theory is of 70 marks, right? Of that, 50 marks you will be writing in your annual examination schedule. Do you understand? You have a schedule. It starts from 21st of February. Yes, boys. So from 21st of February, during your physics annual examination, you will write a paper of 50 marks, 50. Yeah. Now, what happens to the rest 20? The rest 20 will be conducted well before the examination, like your practical assessment. Now, this 20 marks will be self-evaluated by you. So we are going to conduct a test for 10 marks, which will be later converted to 20. And these paper will be evaluated by you people, right? So what is that? These are the topics first. Thermodynamics and thermal properties of matter. Actually, these are the topics which are not included in your annual examination portion. So whichever is not being included in the annual examination portion, like your thermodynamics, second law of thermodynamics, heat engines, refrigerator. Then thermal properties of matter, specific heat capacity at constant pressure and constant volume, calorimetry, and black body radiation. Now you have to prepare all these topics from your NCERT textbook. All these topics are there in your NCERT textbook. So you will be writing written examination. Your question paper will be in PDF format. So you need to write, it's almost like an assessment, right, boys? Your reference will be your NCERT textbook. In case if you feel that you need any help or guidance from us to teach you this heat engines or refrigerator, you tell me beforehand so that I'll just once again go through those portions. Once you have completed your paper, marking scheme will be, you have to scan and send the paper. Then marking scheme will be provided. Once you get the marking scheme, you have to correct your paper. The evaluated paper should be sent to us. So this is self-evaluation. This carries 10 marks, 10 will be converted to 20. So only 50 marks paper you will be writing the examination as per the schedule. Is that clear, boys?
So these
that clear?
topics, you won't teach us these two chapters.
No, these
Like we
two
have to learn
chapters, yes, it's a self-study. They want to check because now you people need to have more of your self-study. So that's the reason we are giving it as a self-study. But still, if you feel it's difficult from your point of view to learn, only refer your NCERT textbook. If you feel that you need help from us, surely I'll take the chapters, right? I'll do all these topics. You need not worry, but just let me know, boss. This weekend, go through all these topics. If you have a doubt, so you just inform me somewhere around Saturday. One person can take the in charge that you want me to just once again go through it. I'll do it with the PowerPoint presentation. So somewhere around the 0 period. Is that clear, boys? But this weekend, just go through it. Now all these things will be shared with you in Phoenix as well as it will be shared in your MS Teams. Is that clear, boys? Is that clear?
Ma'am, so these are the two chapters, right? For the self-evaluation.
Yeah, correct. Only these two chapters. So this is what I need to speak. Fine. Aaron, where are you? Others, only these two boys have switched on. Others also need to switch.
Ma'am?
Let us see. Yes?
The
Siddharth,
self-evaluation.
Krishya, Surya, Prasanna, please switch on your cameras. Yes, boys?
Ma'am, the 10 marks, is it for 10 marks, the test?
The test will be for 10 marks, boys. The test will be for 10 marks, but it will be converted to 20.
Okay, ma'am.
Is that fine? So, waves, did I complete the phenomenon of beats? Boys, I want all others to switch on your camera. There's not only 2 students switching on. Boys, switch on, others do switch on your cameras. Because it has been sent as a message. We need to check how students are doing. I think Steve can do, sorry, Kritya can do. Prasanna can switch on your camera. Samuel, Sanfa, Shamshul, Siddharth, all of you boys, I need not call you again. It's almost, I'm wasting my time.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Once.
Just
Ma'am,
every,
just one thing. I'm
almost
using the secondary
Austin,
device.
Abhishek, Abel. Huh? Yes?
I'm using another device right now. I'll switch to my primary device next period. So from next period
No,
onwards.
it's okay, it's okay, okay. If you're having an issue, no problem. Ayan, Derek, boys, it's not only 2 students switching on. Harish, others do switch on, boys. I need not call your
I'll
names.
switch on in 2 minutes. I'm just testing.
Yeah, fine, fine. I know what is happening in class teachers period. Ma'am is calling you, boys, you're not listening. I don't want to target only 2 students. Did you take the notes for beats, boys? Did you take the notes for beats? Because I'll finish that and I'll start thermal properties. Did you take the notes for beats? I'm asking you, boys. 11B, please
Ma'am, you
answer.
told us, like, you showed us a video, you told us about it, but you said you had one more slide to show us.
Yeah, okay, fine. Others, please switch on, because if I'm going to switch on, I'm going to write it on my monitor, so it will become difficult if I'm switching it on my camera. Others, students, you switch it on, because if I have to write something on the slide, so it will be difficult for me to switch on. You people can switch it on. Switch on your cameras. I don't want to penalize only few boys. But let me share. Fine, thank you, boys.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, thermal properties of matter, so there are other topics that are coming for the exam from that chapter, other than the ones for self-study?
No, today you will get it, boys. Only a few topics we have selected for you.
All right.
Nothing more. You do not worry, because all the 3 chapters which are going to come up will not burden you, boys. Just you can copy. Beats is what are called beats, and what is the essential condition, and what is called beat frequency. Was right. So I'm not switching on the camera. The reason is I'm writing it on board, right, on the monitors. So it becomes difficult for me. Other students, you need to do that. Beats essential condition, the periodic variation in the intensity of sound caused by the superposition of 2 sound waves of slightly different frequencies are called beats. Right? No need for the diagram. The number of beats produced per second is called beat frequency. Conditions is right. The difference in frequency should not exceed 10. That's 10 hertz. Complete this, then we'll start the new chapter. The periodic variation in the intensity of the sound, which means at points your sound becomes loud, at some points the sound becomes feeble. So this is a continuous variation in the intensity of the sound. Now, how is this going to happen? This is going to happen when 2 sound waves of slightly different frequencies travel in the same medium, when they overlap, when they superpose each other. This is going to happen. The number of beats produced per second is called beat frequency.
Ma'am, like for the stationary waves, all the formulae we derived for the modes, are they important for numericals?
Yes, numericals, it's very important. I have to solve numericals. So what I'll do is, as I'm moving along with the other chapter, we'll do the numericals, because I have Is these many numericals at least I need to do. So last period I'll be having most probably your class. So in that period I'll start doing the numericals. I have to do numericals, left out numericals in the previous chapter also, this chapter also. Copy down, boys. If I go into the other mode, you will be able to see and write, or I have to be in this mode. Because I need to be in this mode. Sulfur into Abhishek, Austin, Harish, Abhishek and Austin, first time I'm seeing you guys. So the number of beats produced per second is called beat frequency. Condition is that, so when you can hear beats only when the frequency of the two waves should not exceed 10 Hertz. Once you have completed, let me know, boss, so that the theory part of this chapter gets over, so that I can go for the theory part of the next chapter. No need for the diagram. Diagram is not required. Only the statement is in the course. Have you all completed? Boys, have you all completed? Taisir, did you complete?
Yes, ma'am.
Others, should I switch it over?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, you can.
I'll go for the next one. Just write boys. Thermal properties of matter. Thermal properties of matter. The next chapter.
Ma'am, from this chapter only 3 subtopics are coming, the one you told.
That is for the assessment, self-assessment course that you need to learn, and then you can refer your books also. But for this, for the final examination, as per the schedule, we will share it today. What are the topics that might be here?
Ma'am, whenever you
Yes.
get time, can you
Yes.
like give us the subtopic numbers of
Calculations.
subtopics in the textbook? The numbers. Can you like confirm that?
No, what I'll do is that everything is we have separately typed in your as portions boys. We have not just told, we have not just stated the name of the chapter. Under the name of the chapter, we are writing each and every topic. Still, if you have any doubt, I'll refer to the textbook. Once we'll, I think one period, class teachers period, half an hour, I'll sit with you with your textbook so that we'll compare and check with your syllabus. In case if the portions are tough for you to understand, right? Hitesh is not answering. Derek or Dheeraj, can you read this thermal expansion? Derek or Dheeraj, anyone? Be quick, boys. Dheeraj or Derek, anyone can read this? Shamshul, you can go for it. Shamshul or Abhishek, you read 11B. Abhishek,
Ma'am, can I read?
yeah, someone can read. Yes,
Can I read,
please.
ma'am?
Yeah.
Thermal
Thermal expansion.
Thermal expansion. Substances expand or get bigger when they're heated up. They contract or get smaller when they cool down. This property can be useful. Thermometers work because the liquid inside them expands and rises up the tube when it gets hotter. Metal parts can be fitted together without welding using shrink fitting.
Expansion of liquids. Kritya, you can go for expansion of liquids.
Okay.
Anyone for that matter.
Okay, ma'am, I'll read. Ma'am. All liquids expand on heating and contract on cooling. Immediately, the level of water drops as the flask expands first. Afterwards, water level rises and goes beyond the original level A. This shows that water expands on heating, and expansion of water is more than that of glass.
Like solids, different liquids expand unequally. And expansion of gases. Jopal, can you read the slide? Sanfa,
Ma'am, what was the last point you showed, like before this one?
like solids, your liquids, different liquids expand unequally, right? So in flask X, Y, and Z, if you're having the container have the same dimension, like there is a glass solid, but the liquids are different. Then when liquid gets heated up, they expand. Can you see in the tubes, the level of the liquid are quite different, which means different liquid expands at different rates.
Ma'am, can you show the previous page? Ma'am, not this, like the first slide.
Yeah.
No, ma'am, the first one. Yes, ma'am.
Unlike solids and liquids, all gases expand equally. So liquids and solids, they do not expand equally, but whereas gases are going to expand equally. The expansion of gas is much greater than that of solid or the liquid. So gases expands 30 times that of a liquid, but liquid expands 20 times that of a solid. Now, all because of the intermolecular forces. The intermolecular forces will be weak in gases, slightly strong in liquid comparatively, but very strong in solids. Bimetallic strip. Boys, have you heard about thermostat? Anywhere have you heard about thermostat? You haven't?
To set the temperature.
Yeah. So all your refrigerators, cooling systems, all your cooling systems, they had this thermostats. How is your, you know what is a thermostat?
Our
right?
next period started.
The other class started?
Yes, ma'am, it's maths now.
Okay, you can leave, boys. You can. Thank you, boys, for those who have
Thank you, ma'am.
switched.
Thank you.
And thank you so much for those boys who are not answering in the class. Thank you so much, boys. Make effort for teachers to call you, but you people are not answering. Thank you, boys. You can leave.
And thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, boys.
Thank you, ma'am.